Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is Dutch Ministry of Defense buys 100 radars to boost early drone detection and protection of key sites. The Dutch Ministry of Defense is purchasing 100 radars capable of providing early warning of approaching drones. The first systems will be delivered tomorrow and can distinguish drones from birds and other moving objects. The agreement was formalized today by Defense and the Dutch company Robin Radar. The radars will give the armed forces more time to act and will be used by various units as well as across air force bases and other critical infrastructure. Both Defense and Robin Radar are working to ensure the fastest possible delivery due to recent incidents involving drones near Vocal and Eindhoven air bases. The 100 radars will be supplied in phases, with the first handed over tomorrow and full delivery expected in 2026. Vehicles associated with the systems will arrive early next year. The ministry states that urgency remains high as drone activity over sensitive locations continues to pose risks. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @Electronics Technology 50.